with the vaccine. It's a humanitarian thing, and I think everybody should welcome wherever they send it.
Sir, recently we announced to stop the ceasefire things, and the development is like, the vaccine. How do you see this development in terms
I think both nations are getting closer. I think the feeling of tension is gradually dying. And both nations realize that if we live in friendship, we will both progress. And that is what every Indian or Pakistani also wants. And today look at Bangladesh. They also, the Prime Minister there has also asked that relationship should be more normalized. More trade should take place, which should be free. These are things which are going to make world stronger and far more healthy rather than tensions.
So what would you say to those hardliners who say that we are exporting vaccines to a country that exports terror to India?
Let me tell you one thing. When you say terror to India, why is there terror in India? Unless we have a nidus, if you have a focus, then only terror starts. A disease starts, if there is a small nidus, then cancer will spread. So there is a tragedy that we face in Kashmir. And that is why there is terrorism.
So if Pakistan is not sponsoring it, so would that be correct to say?
We have to, if you want to save this world, you have to get together. There is no other way. There is no time for wars now. There's time for mutual understanding. You give and take.
Do you think this sentiment will reflect in Kashmir? We are sending vaccines to Pakistan.
Look, I don't know what sentiments people will have. I can't tell you. What I tell you is, frankly, that it's a great move. India is not sending it only to Pakistan. They have sent it to many countries. So why only categorize Pakistan? We're sending it to all the countries in the world wherever they want it.
हिंदी सर आप इस भारत के मुहिम को कि अब दुनिया
मैं समझता हूँ बहुत अच्छी बात है कि भारत ये दुनिया को दिखाता है कि हम दुनिया के साथ दोस्ती में रहना चाहते हैं और ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज उन्होंने की है जो ये वैक्सीन दुनिया में भेज रहा है कि इंसान को बचा सके। हिंदुस्तान हर वक्त इस बात पे तय किया है कि हम दुनिया के साथ दोस्ती में रहना चाहते हैं और दोस्ती में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं।
क्या पाकिस्तान की तरफ से भी इसी तरीके से कुछ नया
है अभी हुआ है, सीज फायर हुआ, वो नहीं होता अगर पाकिस्तान हिंदुस्तान के साथ दोस्ती नहीं चाहता। कई मसले हैं जो पाकिस्तान और हिंदुस्तान को अभी तय करने हैं। अभी तो कहते हैं इब्तिदाई इश्क है, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या।